Ladies and gentlemen, you see I'm the best with the best. Lamborghini Aventador S. You see? I'm Caesar Palace now. I'm alone. I'm delivering with the 12 car for big event. You understand? Look the monster. Aventador S. For the Rapid Dubai. 488 GTB. Spider. Very nice car. You see I'm professional. You see I'm best. AMG GTC, the convertible, big monster, you understand? The famous, the dangerous McLaren 720S. Look the monster, look the carbon, look the tire, look the doors. It's very crazy car, you understand? I have the crazy car, I'm the best, you understand? The Lamborghini Huracan Black, okay, 610 power, very nice car, you understand? Look, 12 supercar, the Lamborghini Huracan Evolution Blue, very nice, 640 power, look the backside, it's very beautiful, you understand? Listen me, my best is Ferrari F8 3 turbo, the newest Ferrari on the world, you understand? Look the best, the monster, on the Lamborghini Evolution Spider, red, the rival, but it's beautiful, look the monster, you understand? Let's go and see you. I'm see you for new car, okay? It's for the famous Hotel Caesar Palace. Now I'm see you the big four-wheel, the famous big four-wheel, the Lamborghini Urus Black, the #1 truck for the vitesse for acceleration, the famous R8 Spider V10, okay? Very nice car. Okay, well now look, the Performante Lamborghini Huracan, the Performante Huracan, you understand? Very beautiful, it's orange matte, okay, it's very crazy car. One Lamborghini Huracan 610, okay, look the aileron, the big carbon, it's very crazy, you understand? Or structural car rental Dubai, I'm the best with the best. I'm take the best for the best people, you understand? Look the design, okay? Very nice. Which car you like? You need the big event, you need private, you need more supercar, or only four-wheel, or the limousine, or a Rolls Bentley, you need call me. You see, I have best organization. Only for myself, I'm take for the whole car here. Okay? You know, sure, I'm alone. I'm work. Huh? I have the best team. Look. Voila. My machine with the old keys. You understand? The old keys car is here. Thanks. Bye.